back to our channel. For today's video, we're doing science.
Okay, so we are gonna test out the
Water bag experiment.
yeah, the water bag experiment. But first, we will
need
do.
safety goggles.
We don't need. It's just water. We're gonna do this first. Zach, we have a tub here,
Yeah.
just in case. Hold it like this, please.
Okay. Huh?
Tight. Zeb, can you get one of the sharp pencils there? Okay. You want to hold, Zach, or
Yeah.
Kuya will hold?
I'll hold.
Let's hold it together. Kuya, can you poke it? What's gonna happen? Can you poke it all the way through? Ooh. Oh no. So water comes out, right?
Yeah.
You poke a hole on it.
I will.
Now we're gonna try the other one. Wait, mommy will hold that because it's very heavy.
Is that?
Okay, now we're gonna try this. Try it in this water bag thingy. Okay, at the same time, Zach, you can do this side. Zeb, you can do. You have to poke it all the way through, huh? Okay, it must go through the other side. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All the way through.
Wait, I'm sorry. I think I'm all the way through. I'm all the way through.
Did it? Wait a second.
That was my pencil so wet.
It's okay, it's okay. Wait, let me see first.
Wait.
Okay, we had some technical difficulties when Zach pulled out one of the pencils, but the experiment is about
The water. This water bag was not even coming out all the water.
yeah,
Staying there.
compared to this one, diba? It poked a hole. But
right
this
there.
one, do you know why?
Why?
Because this plastic bag is made of polymer. Okay, so what happened? Why the water didn't come out of the plastic?
Cause polymer.
The plastic is made of,
Polymer.
and what happens? What is special about the polymer? It's
Stretchable.
yeah, it's stretchable. So when you poke the pencil on the plastic bag, what happens?
It opens up
And then
it closes back.
yeah, it hugs the sides of the pencil, right? So the water doesn't
Come out.
leak. That's the magic of the polymer. Okay.
Move pencils. That's so wet. We need it. Yeah, that's so wet. So much pencils. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye. So much water is coming.